Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Irfad, and today we have to discuss a very important question of first year Karachi board. Tangent inverse 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 tangent inverse 1 upon 7, and we have to prove it is equals to pi upon 8. One point, dear students, you're supposed to be keep in your mind when we have to prove the question. That means we are not allowed to change any left hand side and the right hand side number. For example, here the number of teachers they multiply 2 on the left hand side and the right hand side, and then they have to prove pi upon 4. This is wrong method. So here we have to take out the left hand side here, and we have to discuss a very important question here with a very easy method, that is 1 upon 2 tangent inverse 1 upon 7. This is the left hand side here. Now we have to multiply and divide by 2 here. 1 upon 2 and 2 multiply by this and 2 multiply by this. So this is tangent inverse 1 upon 3, and here we have to multiply with 2, so 2 will cancel out with this 2, and that will be only tangent inverse 1 upon 7. So here what we have to do here, we have to multiply and divide 2 here. So 1 upon 2, this is divided by 2, and multiply by 2, we have to multiply with 2 with this factor and multiply by 2 with this factor. So when we have to multiply 2 with this factor, the 2 will cancel out with 2 here. Now this is 1 upon 2. This is 2 tangent inverse 1 upon 3 plus tangent inverse 1 upon 7. We have to solve this question. So here we have to use two formula here. Number 1, tangent inverse A plus tangent inverse B, it is equals to tangent inverse A plus B over 1 minus AB. Dear students, this is the formula here. Tangent inverse A plus tangent inverse B, it is equals to tangent inverse A plus B upon 1 minus AB. We have to change this formula here. If we have to put A is equals to B or B is equals to A, so then that will be tangent inverse A plus tangent inverse B. So this formula will be 2 tangent inverse A, that will be equals to B is equals to A, so A plus A, it is 2A, divided by 1 minus B, it is equals to A, so A multiplied by A, it is equals to A square. So we have another formula here. If 2 tangent inverse with the angle is given, so we have to apply this formula, and the tangent inverse A plus tangent inverse B in simple form it is given to you, so we can apply this formula here. Now we have to apply one by one these two formula here. So focus here, dear students, this is 2 tangent inverse 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3, this is the value of A here. So this we are going to use this formula here. So that is equals to tangent inverse 2A. 2A means A means 1 upon 3. 2A divided by 1 minus A square. A square means 1 upon 3 to the whole square, and this tangent inverse remains same. This is remains same. So here we have to simplify first. So this is tangent inverse 2 ones are 2, 2 upon 3, and the divided by 1 over 1 minus 3 square 9. So this is tangent inverse 1 upon 7. So here, dear students, we have to apply this formula. 2 tangent inverse A, it is equals to tangent inverse 2A upon 1 minus A square. Here the value of A is 1 upon 3. So this is 2 tangent inverse 1 upon 3. We have to apply this formula here. Now we have to simplify. So this is tangent inverse 2 upon 3, take out the LCM, 9 ones are 9, 9 minus 1, that is 8, it is 8 over 9, take out the LCM, 1 upon 7 remains here. So reciprocal it. So this is tangent inverse 2 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 8 and plus tangent inverse 1 upon 7 remain same. So here 2 4s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. So this is 1 upon 2 tangent inverse 3 upon 4 plus tangent inverse 1 upon 7. Now here this is tangent inverse A plus tangent inverse B. We have to apply this formula here. Formula number 1. So this is A means 3 upon 4 and the B means 1 upon 7. So this is here tangent inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus A into B. This is the formula here. We have to apply this formula. Again focus, dear students. Tangent inverse A plus tangent inverse B, it is equals to tangent inverse A plus B upon 1 minus AB. Just we have to apply this formula here. So this is 1 upon 2 remains same, and just we have to take out the LCM here. We have to do this stuff here. 1 upon 2 tangent inverse 7 4s are 28, take out the LCM here. 7 3s are 21 and 4 1s are 4. Here we have to take out the LCM in the numerator and now as well as in the denominator here. So first we have to multiply this. 3 1s are 3, 7 4s are 28. So this is here, dear students, tangent inverse 25 over 28 and take out the LCM here. 28 ones are 28 minus 3, so that will be equals to 25 upon 28. Just take out the LCM in the denominator. So the whole factor will be cancelled out. So this is tangent inverse 1. So tangent inverse 1, it is equals to pi upon 4. And that is equals to 4 2s are 8, and this is the left hand side equals to right hand side. A very important question, dear students. This is a very important question for this exam here. So please remember that when we have to prove that the question which is equals to left hand side equal to the right hand side, now here we cannot multiply 2 on the left hand side as well on the right hand side. This method will be incorrect and 0 number will be given if you have to apply that method. Because when we have to show that, we have to prove that question, that means we are not allowed to make any change here. So just take out the left hand side and here we can apply 1 upon 2, 2 multiplied by and divided by 2, and this is the answer here. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Fahd. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.